Alrighty, folks, it is that time once again for another unboxing. So, inside of this package, obviously, is a fire alarm device made by Simplex. I'll give you that one. So, let's crack it open and see what it is. Got that, and got some paper, and we got red inside here. I'm going to pull this out. And there's a note in here, but I'm not going to show that. Oh, that's from a different one. So, as you can see, it is a pull station. And it is one of these. It is a break glass Simplex T-bar. This is a $20.99 9103. It's just a regular conventional one. There's no tag in here, sadly, but it's a $20.99 9103 is the model of this. So obviously, it's got the hammer right here that you can put down and bust a piece of glass, which I'm going to go ahead and take the glass out, which requires you to pry that little piece out. There's a little keeper down there at the bottom. Okay, I have it kind of popped loose, and let me work on it. Okay, I got the little tab out of there, and it should, then the glass piece should come out, which it did. So, here's the pull station with no glass in it. This little piece snaps in down here at the bottom to hold the glass in the thing, and obviously it's got the hammer on the front, but you can pull it just like a regular one, and then you can just reset it like a usual one. Basically all this is a break glass version of the 9754. Now, this pull station's newer than this one, as you can see by the Simplex logo. This has a newer logo than this one. The S is a lot smaller, you know, it's just a different kind. And also this one has a red back, and this one's just the silver. And this one has better terminals on it. It actually's got a completely different switch. It's probably due to this one being a little older. It looks the same from the inside though. It's got the white button right there. The same spring mechanism and all that the normal ones have. It's got this funny little tab looking thing right here, and I don't really know what that's for. My other one doesn't have that. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, never mind. Yeah, this one is from the probably early 90s, judging by the logo. It would have been paired up with like 4903 series, the rectangular ones. So in reality, how you would pull this is it'd be down like that, and then you smack that like that, and it busts the glass, and then you pull it. Which I don't know if I'm gonna break it or not. How the glass installs it. Oh man, I just cracked it in two. Oh well, I can put it in here like that. It's slightly cracked. That's okay. Well, I broke it, so awesome. And what that does is then this just snaps in there and goes. It's a little thin piece of glass. I'm gonna glue that back together. And then this, I'm gonna get a new one, and then this is gonna be my one I'm gonna break. Actually, like really break. That's unfortunate, but okay. I wasn't expecting that to happen. It's really fragile. I'm gonna put the glass back in. How the technicians normally test these is they will, there you can see now, that sorta, sorta holds it in. But I probably should take this back out because I need to fix it. And then I'm going to get another piece of glass for it. So, yeah. And put that there. We love to play games. Anyways, that is going to do it for the unboxing of my Simplex 2099 9103. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.